So next here, find the angle of intersection of the following pairs of curves. First one. So R equals sin theta plus cos theta and R equals 2 sin theta. R equals 2 sin theta. So solution. Here, so what they given? R equals sin theta plus cos theta, and another one is R equals 2 sin theta they given. So I will consider first curve. So what is R equals sin theta plus cos theta. So taking log on both sides. So if you're taking log on both sides, what do you get? This becomes log R equals log of sin theta plus cos theta. So here you can't do anything here. You can't apply logarithmic here. You can't apply. So keep as it is. Now differentiate with respect to theta. We get 1 by r into dr by d theta equals here 1 divided by this becomes sin theta plus cos theta. Now if you differentiate this one, so what do you get? If you differentiate you'll get cos theta. If you differentiate sin theta, you'll get cos theta, and here if you differentiate cos theta, you'll get minus sin theta. So 1 by r into dr by d theta can be written as cot phi 1. I will cot it because I will taking consider as first curve, and here equals what you get, cos theta minus sin theta divided by sin theta plus cos theta. Now here I will take cos theta common. So cot phi 1 equals, if I take it cos theta common, what I get, 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta whole divided by, here also I take cos theta common, so I get what I get, sin theta divided by cos theta plus 1. So cos theta get cancelled. So cot phi 1 equals 1 minus tan theta divided by, here I'll write plus here first, and here this becomes tan theta. So here by using the formula, so this can be written as cot phi 1 equals, this can be written as cot theta. So this can be written as cot theta. So here, so sorry, this is pi by 4 plus theta. You have formula, right? I given the formula in starting only, pi by 4 plus theta. So phi 1 equals, this becomes what you get, pi by 4 plus theta. So this is your phi 1. Now find out phi 2. So what is it? Here. Next, consider another curve. What do you get? R equals to sin theta. So taking log on both side, so we get, so what do you get here? Log R equals log into 2 into sin theta you will get, right? So here log A into log B, so this becomes, so what do you get? Log R equals log 2 plus log sin theta, because here log AB equals log A plus log B, so I use this formula here. Okay, so log now differentiate with respect to theta, we get, what do you get? 1 by r into, if you differentiate 1 by r into dr by d theta equals, log 2 is constant, so it becomes 0, and here 0 plus here, what do you get? 1 over sin theta if you differentiate, and if you differentiate sin theta you will get cos theta. So this can be written as cot phi 2 equals, this becomes cot theta. So cot eliminated, what do you get? Phi 2 equals theta. So what do you get now? Therefore mod phi 1 minus, here modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2 equals, what do you get here? Pi by 4 plus theta, and minus, what is phi 2? It is theta. Phi 1 means pi by 4, yeah, pi by 4 plus theta I substitute here. Phi 2 means theta, so these two will get cancelled. What do you get here? Pi by 4. So therefore the angle of intersection, is pi by 4. Next problem. Second one. R equals A into log theta and R equals A divided by log theta. So now here solution. Here consider the first curve. So what do you get? R equals A into log theta. Now here taking log on both side. So if you're taking log on both sides, what do you get? Log R into, what do you get here? Log of A into log theta. So you consider this one as A and this one as B. So log A into B. So this can be written as log A, here log R into here log A plus log of log theta. So now here differentiate with respect to theta. So we get here 1 by r into dr by d theta equals, here log A is constant, it becomes 0. If you differentiate log, here 1 over log theta you will get. Okay, so if you differentiate log theta, again you will get 1 by theta. So here, so what do you get? If you differentiate the theta also, you will get 1. No need to write that one. Okay, so here you will get, so 1 by r can be written as cot phi 1 for I'm taking first car, right? So I'm taking phi 1 equals here 1 over theta into log theta. So I keep as it is this one because you can't interchange anything here. So I'll consider here. Now you can convert it into tan, so no problem here. If you take it 1 over reciprocal, so you get this becomes log theta. So tan phi, here this can be written as tan phi 1 equals theta into log theta, you can write. Okay, so I will consider next, I will consider another curve. So it is r equals a divided by log theta, a divided by log theta. Now taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides. So if you're taking log on both sides, what do you get? Log r equals log of a divided by log theta. So you have to use the formula. What do you get? Log a by b equals log a minus log b. So instead of b you have log theta, so write that one. So we get here log r log r equals log a minus log of log theta, log of log theta. So differentiate with respect to theta, we get here 1 by r into dr by d theta. So if you differentiate, this becomes 0, here 0 minus, so what do you get if you differentiate? 1 over log theta you will get. So if you differentiate here log theta again, so you will get 1 by theta. If you differentiate theta you will get 1, no need to write that one. Okay, so this becomes here, this becomes cot phi 2. So this is second car, right? So I taking phi 2. So minus here 1 over theta into log theta. So I will take reciprocal for that one because you will not get phi 2 here value directly. So what I get here 1 over cot, if you take reciprocal, 1 over cot phi 2 equals a minus theta into log theta will get. So 1 over cot can be written as tan phi 2 equals minus theta into log theta. So now I consider, so tan phi 1 minus phi 2. So what is the formula? You have to find out the here theta, here angle value. So that's why, so here phi 1 minus phi 2. So this becomes what you get, tan phi 1 minus tan phi 2 divided by 1 plus tan phi 1 into tan phi 2. So tan phi 1 minus phi 2 equals 2 times of theta. Here this becomes phi 1 minus phi 2. What you get here? Phi 1 minus phi 2. If you want, you can write directly here theta into what you get, log. So this is log theta. Here minus, here phi 2, what is phi 2? Minus theta into log theta whole divided by 1 plus theta into log theta. Here phi 2 is minus theta into log theta. So if you simplify this one, we'll get 2 here, minus into minus plus, so 2 theta into log theta whole divided by 1 plus into minus minus theta into log theta whole square. So now here we have to solve the theta value. We have to find the theta value. So what I'll do here, we have to find theta by solving the curves. So what are the curves they given? They given two curves. What do you get? R equals A into log theta, and another one R equals A divided by log theta. So equating, we have to find out the theta value. So equating RHS, we get A into log theta equals A divided by log theta. So what do you get here? A get cancelled. So log theta whole square is equal to 1, and transferring this one to right hand side. So what do you get? Log theta whole square is equal to 1, or here what do you get? Log theta is equal to 1. So theta equals log 1. Log 1 here, sorry, antilog of 1 means this is not 1. Antilog of 1 means it is E here, because we know that log E equals 1. So if you take it to right hand side, this term, so E is equal to antilog of 1. Antilog of 1 is E. So I am writing this one. So theta is equal to, theta equals E. Now you find out the theta value. So substitute in this equation. So I called this one as equation 1. So what is this one? Tan phi 1 minus phi 2. So what do you get here? Tan phi 1 minus phi 2 equals 2e divided by 1 minus e square you'll get, because log e equals 1. Log e equals 1. So therefore the angle of intersection equals, what do you get? Phi 1 minus phi 2 equals tan inverse of, what do you get? 2e divided by 1 minus e square. So this is the required solution, or you can write this one as 2 times of tan inverse e also. If you simplify, you will get this one also. No problem. If you write this one also, is no problem. Okay. So next problem. So r square into sine 2 theta equals 4, and r square equals 16 sine 2 theta. So here solution, I will consider here. First I will consider the one curve, r square into sine 2 theta equals 4. So taking log on both sides, so what I get here? Log r square into sine 2 theta equals log 4 you'll get. So here you have to use the formula log AB equals log A plus log B formula. So what do you get? Log r square plus log sine 2 theta equals log 4, you will get log 4. Now here this can be written as you have to use the formula log a to the power of b equals, what do you get, b into log a. So use that formula. So what do you get, log 2 into r plus log of sine 2 theta equals log 4. Now differentiate with respect to theta. We get here 2 into 1 by r into dr by d theta will get, if you differentiate the r, plus if you differentiate here 1 over sine 2 theta will get. Now if you differentiate cos 2 theta, what do you get, here differentiate sine, you will get cos 2 theta, and if you differentiate 2 theta you will get 2. So equals, here this is constant, so it becomes 0. So what do you get, 2 into, this can be written as cot phi 1, I will call it as, because I am considering first curve. I am taking this one to right hand side. Here minus 2 into, what do you get, sin cot 2 theta, you will get cot 2 theta. So 2 will get cancelled. So cot phi 1 equals, this can be written as cot of minus 2 theta, cot of minus 2 theta. So cot get eliminated, so we'll get phi 1 equals minus 2 theta. Phi 1 equals minus 2 theta. Now find out phi 2. So here next I will consider, what do you get, another curve, r square is equal to 16 sine 2 theta. So now here taking log on both sides, so what do you get, log r square equals, here log of 16 into sine 2 theta. So log, here this can be written as 2 times of log r equals, here log a plus log b, so log 16 plus log of sine 2 theta. So this becomes, here if differentiate with respect to theta, we get 2 into, if you differentiate 1 by r, if you differentiate r, you will get dr by d theta equals, here this, if you differentiate this term becomes 0, plus here if you differentiate 1 over sine 2 theta into, if you differentiate sine 2 theta, what do you get, cos 2 theta into, if you differentiate 2 theta you will get 2. So this can be written as 2 into cot phi 2. This is second row, right? So I am taking phi 2. So 2 into, what do you get, cos by sin is, will get cot 2 theta. So 2 will get cancelled. So cot phi 2 equals cot 2 theta. So cot get eliminated, cot get eliminated, so phi 2 is equal to 2 theta you will get. Now here therefore what I get, mod phi 1 minus phi 2 equals, what do you get here, minus 2 theta, and here minus 2 theta. So we will get mod minus 4 theta. So if you take it mod outside, you will get 4 theta. So we have to find out the theta value. So how will you find out the theta value? Here consider two curves. Now consider the two curves. So what are the two curves? R square equals 4 divided by, here what are the two curves you have, r square into sin 2 theta equals 4, and another one is r square equals 16 sin 2 theta. So you have to equate RHS, but r square here, r square, so take it this one to left hand side. So r square equals 4 divided by sin 2 theta, and here whatever it, take it this one as it is sin 2 theta. Now equating the RHS. Now equating the RHS, we get here, if you equate the RHS, what do you get? R square RHS 4 divided by sin 2 theta, 4 divided by sin 2 theta equals, what do you get? 16, here 16 into sin 2 theta. RHS na equate ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So ಏನಾಯಿತು, 4 1s are 4 4s I will get. So what do you get now? Transfer this one to left hand side. 4 into sin square 2 theta equals 1. So 2 into sin 2 theta whole square, can you write equals 1? So this becomes what do you get? Sin 2 theta equals 1 to sin theta. So sin 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2 you will get. So what do you get here? Theta 2 theta is equal to sin inverse of 1 by 2. Sin inverse of 1 by 2 you will get, it is pi by 6. So theta is equal to, I take 2 this side, so what do you get? Pi by 12. So this is your theta value. So therefore substituting this one here, what do you get? Equation star. So substitute in equation star, we get here 5 1 minus 5 2 equals 4 theta. So 4 into 5 by 12, 4 1s are 4 3s are, so we get pi by 3. So therefore the angle of intersection is pi by 3 or 60 degree. Okay, so take on the homework problem here. First one, r equals a into 1 minus cos theta, and r equals 2a into cos theta. So here you will get answer is cos inverse 1 by 3 into pi by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay, next here, answer is, you will get pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 times of cos inverse 1 by 3. Second one, r equals 6 times of cos theta, and r equals 2 times of 1 plus cos theta. So you will get answer is pi by 6, means you will get 30 degree. and here r equals a theta divided by 1 plus theta, and r equals a divided by 1 plus theta square. So answer is tan inverse 3. Fourth one, r is equal to a theta, r equals a by theta. So answer is, you will get pi by 2.